for criminals. Hundreds of Australian businesses and banks are mentioned. Here's NEWSThe.
They're the dirty secrets of the world's banks.
Criminals are allowed to move money around the world without being stopped, and the banks are allowing it to happen because they're happy to take profits.
An astonishing leak from the US Treasury reveals that the world's largest banks are moving money for criminal syndicates and shady characters. Banks can prevent transactions if they're suspicious of the reason for them or the individuals involved. Instead, they filed more than 2,000 so-called suspicious activity reports, alerting authorities of a potential problem, but allowing nearly $3 trillion to move and keeping the associated fee.
These are the biggest banks in America, the biggest banks in Europe, that seem to be making a lot of profit from handling dirty money that they know is potentially dirty.
Australian banks too, although the figures revealed are small.
We work very closely with the banks to ensure they have the sorts of indicators and red flags they need to provide AUSTRAC with high quality and timely reporting.
But the financial crime agency AUSTRAC is actually looking to loosen some rules.
Water down important safeguards which prevent anonymous funds flowing through into the ASX, potentially from drug trafficking or global corruption.
You need to be identified to open a bank account, but the proposed changes mean that wouldn't be required to open a share trading account. Criminals and terrorists are always looking to exploit weaknesses, to launder their dirty cash into what looks like legitimate money. This dump of documents raises the question, how much are global banks looking the other way? NEWSThe, ABC News.
An Australian man working on a munitions project in the Solomon Islands has been killed in a bomb blast at his home in Honiara. New South Wales man Trent Lee had been mapping unexploded